Hello, I'm Alex, and today I'll show you how easy it is to install the GROHE QuickFix Basin tap with a shower set, using GROHE Start as an example here. It sounds complicated, but it isn't. An important note, this installation also applies to other models with a shower set, even if your model looks completely different. And one more thing, make sure you turn off the water before installation. Let's get started then. First, let's check what's in the box. Take a look at the enclosed installation manual. You can also use the QR code to find additional important information, as well as the installation video. In order to install your new tap, you will need the following tools. The siphon does not need to be de-installed for this, however, it could make installation easier. First, you have to slide this seal over the hoses so that no water can flow between the tap and the wash basin later. You have to pay attention to the correct alignment here. The collar of the seal must point downwards, as this will later lock the tap centrally in the tap hole of the wash basin, and therefore ensure that it covers the tap hole. Insert carefully, and then you're done. Now prepare the counter screw. There are small tabs in the rubber holder that prevent the crescent from falling down again, as long as the fastening nut is not yet screwed onto the bolt. Then slide the whole thing underneath the wash basin over the fastening bolt, with the rubber holder facing upwards. Simply hand tighten, then tighten using the QuickTool until the tap no longer twists on the wash basin. However, beware, it will come off if you tighten it too far. Next, it's the flexible connection hoses' turn. These already have an integrated seal and can be easily connected directly to the angle valves. The right-hand hose is always used for cold water and is connected to the right-hand angle valve. The left-hand hose is for hot water and goes to the left-hand angle valve. You simply place the screw connection on the thread and turn it hand tight until it stops on the thread of the angle valve. Then tighten firmly with the QuickTool until the connection is tight. Make sure that the hoses do not become kinked or twisted. It's best to hold the hoses with a suitable tool when tightening them. Super! Is the water flowing? Not yet. Before you can turn on your new tap, you must install the shower hose. This also has an integrated seal on both sides. The conical side is now screwed onto the shower head. The other side of the hose is attached to the tap's connection. Done! You can now install the wall holder. You should tape the respective area for the bore hole beforehand. When aligning the holder, ensure that it's in a horizontal position. Now start drilling. You best use a masonry drill and a drill without impact for this. Then insert the wall plugs, screw down the holder, and attach the chrome cover. Perfect! Now slowly open the angle valves and check that everything is tight. Here's a little tip. First, turn the angle valves all the way to the left, and then back again a half or a quarter turn. The valves will then be easier to operate in the future. Finally, let some water run into the closed basin in order to check whether everything is tight. Done! That was easy, wasn't it?